Okay, I have decided to make another video about Spy Mini earpiece, showing you something else. I had questions through that time, and I just wanted to update something, and I would like to make it short, but it's simple device, but there are many things involved. So let's begin. So you are in exam or something like that, and you want to hear your friend secretly, without anybody noticing that you hear him, and you can whisper back to him. So what do we do? I will show you now how this device works, and for you to understand. Okay, let's first place this plate here, and here's a Spy Mini earpiece. It does not have any battery inside. It's just a piece of metal. It's magnetic. So this small earpiece goes into your ear. Do not be afraid. I placed it into my ear many times, and it depends on the person. It's sometimes not very comfortable feeling. For some persons it falls out easily, for some it's harder, but I never had any complaints about some injuries or something like that. So you put this Spy Mini earpiece into your ear and take it out with this big magnet. You can connect that big magnet with any kind of plastic or metal thing. Just connect it like this, and let's pretend this earpiece is into your ear. You just put this as close into your ear as possible, and it just sticks to this metal thing, this big magnet. Okay, let's talk something else. So how all this thing works, I try to make it fast, but okay. So here is a neck loop. You need to put this on your neck, and what this does, it makes this earpiece to work. So it makes some kind of magnetic field, I don't know, and it makes this mini earpiece to vibrate into your ear. As it vibrates, it makes a sound. So as close to your ear is this neck loop, the better is the sound. And there are other things involved, like the sound of your phone. For example, your friend calls you, and you make sure you make the sound of him speaking as loud as possible, and make sure that the batteries also are new, full of energy. Okay, so, and that this earpiece is as close to your eardrum as possible, just close to your eardrum. Actually, you can put this earpiece by yourself, but it's easier if somebody helps you and put this. You bend your head, and let's say your ear is like this, and your friend just drops that mini earpiece into your ear, so it falls into your ear and stays there. Okay, what else? Now I will show you how this whole thing works. So just for this example, I will not show on myself, but on this table. But you need to put this neck loop on your neck, and you need to connect this. You need to connect batteries. Batteries are 9 volts. Okay, 2 batteries. You need to place them into the pocket of your shirt. So you can place anywhere actually, but I think that it will work the best. Okay, connect microphone, connect these red connectors together. Sometimes inside here there are two connectors, sometimes they lifts up, so you need to take some kind of like scissors and to make them down. I don't know if you see them, it's not focusing right now, but if I would make my fingers here, let's make it to focus. Yeah, now you can see this two connectors. Okay, so we just connected, and this connection works the best with Nokia phones with 3.5 millimeters audio jack. If you have another type of phone, you can. I have adapters. I have for some Sony Ericsson. I have for Samsung this type of adapter, and for iPhone. I do not have for Samsung Galaxy S3 or S2. It looks very similar to Nokia, but it does not work. So for some reason microphone is different, and actually for iPhone it looks very similar, but only with adapter it works. So if I do not have adapter for the phone you can just buy cheapest Nokia phone like this. It costs about maybe $30 here in Lithuania, and also I have Bluetooth device I sell on eBay. It looks like this. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's white like now. So you just connect this to Bluetooth and pair your device. You pair this Bluetooth with your device, and you need no adapter, just Bluetooth connection. Okay, so let's leave this to the side now, and I connect this to this phone, and make sure that it shows earphones connected. And let's now make a call. Now I will put this aside, and I will bend this for better how to say, not connection, for better sound probably I should say. Let's make it a little bit sturdy. Now I will place this small, not only this earpiece but this big magnet together, just for you to show how it works. Okay, so let's pretend here is your friend calling to you. You are a student, and here is a friend calling to you. Okay, I open the phone, and here is student. I call to the student, and now you can see friend is calling. Now you can answer with this microphone. You make an answer, and as you can see, now this earpiece vibrates on the table. So if I speak to the phone, here, look how it vibrates on the table. 1, 1. Hello, hello, hello. You see, it even moves. So if you are not sure if it works, if you are not sure if it if you put in your ear and you hear nothing, just put this like this on the table. 1, 1, 1, 1. You see? I can put it closer. 1, 1, 1. That's 1, 1. Hey, hello, hey, hello, hey. So if it vibrates like this on the table, on the hard surface, it means it works. It means that you placed this mini earpiece not correct into your ear. So that's the easy way to find out if this device works or not. Sometimes it can be because of the microphone. Sometimes it can be that you press this button and it answers the call, but something is wrong in this wires here, and connection isn't established well and sound doesn't come to the ear. Sometimes can be because of the batteries, and make sure that the sound is on maximum here. See, it's like if I will go put this down, hey, hello, hey, it still works. So I make on maximum. Okay, so that's how it works. Also, what I suggest you to do, you can try, you can take earphones like this one from my Samsung Galaxy S3. So you can, as you call to your friend and you want to hear him better whispering to you back to the microphone, lots of wires here, so you connect this to here and you can hear him in both of your ears, and you can speak him directly to the microphone of your phone. So your friend will hear you, I think should hear you better than you just speaking here and listening to him here. So that's something I didn't told in the last video. Okay, so what else to tell? I think I ended up, I didn't end up the call, the earpiece just fall down. Okay, now I will end up the call with this button, and the call is ended. Keypad locked. Call duration 3 minutes 10 seconds. Okay, so this video is going too long, and also I include this free gift as this is a flashlight earpick, and it helps you if you want to see what I suggest to clean your ear before using this mini earpiece. So just turn this thing on and you just can clearly see what's into your ear, and if there is something you know what there are in the ears, so you just can take it carefully, just remove that thing, and it will not prevent from earpiece to go out. Okay, so this is a free gift. I will include this with all my devices, and I want to stress one thing out, that I test every device before I ship. So if it's not working when you get it, it is a possibility that during transportation something happened. So just write me eBay message, just connect with me on Skype or something like that, and I will try to help you. But before you do that, please follow this video, see what you can do, and only if you cannot find the solution, contact with me. Thank you very much. I wish you a very good day, and God bless.